What's up guys, this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another Artsnacks unboxing for 2020. So this is the month of February, guys. So I'm actually really excited about this box. I'm always excited about every freaking box. So if I say that in every video, you understand why. Because I am excited and I do like Artsnacks. For those that don't know about Artsnacks, it's basically a little monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. You can choose whatever subscription you want. But anyway, you get like 4 to 5 different type of art supplies. So you get to like, instead of actually buying like a whole set or going to, like, you don't really go to the art supply store every day, so you don't know what goes out every day, what's new out there or whatever. So this is why Artsnacks is really good, because they get to send you these products. So say if out of all of them you only like one, or maybe you like all 4 art supplies that they send you, now you can go and you can explore more on the other art supplies that you actually like without even leaving your door. So that's really good. Let's get into the art supplies that we got for the month of February for 2020. Another cool fun fact about Artsnacks is that they do send a little menu here that gives you all the information of all the art supplies that they send you for that month, and it gives you the price. What's the best thing? So let's get on to what we have for the month of February. Alright, so for the first art supply that they sent us, it's a pretty long name, so bear with me. It's a Faber-Castell Albrecht Durer watercolor marker. They retail for $5.99 each, and this is a new product and it's staff favorite. So let's read about it. I'm gonna actually show you first before we read about it. So the good thing is we got 2, so we got a total of 5 products in our Artsnacks for the month of February, which is really nice. Usually you get 4. So here it is. So they gave me 2 of the markers here. So they have 2 different type of tips. They have the brush tip, and they also have the fine tip. So the fine tip is right here, and this is the brush tip. And it came with yellow and a nice blue color brush tip, and the fine tip. Alright, so let's read about it, because they do show a paragraph here. So the Faber-Castell watercolor markers will amaze you with their highly pigmented, light, fast color, stunning precision. These double-ended markers allow artists to achieve unbelievable definition and control with the watercolor painting. So that's cool. Simply blend your strokes with water to create soft and vibrant watercolor washes. Alright, so the good thing is you can actually mix, it's like a mixed media. You can use water to mix the markers together. So I can't wait to actually show you swatches and how to work these markers. I would have to say for the Faber-Castells, I'm not really happy with them, so I'm definitely going to put them in the end of the year giveaway. The reason why is because when I tried the swatches and I tried to, it says it's a watercolor marker, so I'm guessing it's like my other watercolor markers where you can actually blend it with water and it would be diluted, but it didn't. Obviously, I looked also, it says it's water-soluble, and it's not, unless I'm obviously doing something wrong. But water and a marker, what more can you do? Mixing them together, the blend, I wasn't liking it as well. There's streaking and stuff like that. So the pro, obviously the color is very vibrant. It's very, very opaque, very bright. So I did try. These are the swatches for the markers, the 2 markers that I got. And I tried to do a couple experiments with the brush that I received and some water. So you're not able to mix them at all, I feel like, you see. But it did, if you did put the markers together, you do get that mixture here. I tried to like dilute it with water, but it just did a little bit of a difference, nothing major. It does have, like, this is the brush and this is the fine tip. But the cool thing about it that I found out for this one is that when you dip the brush into the water, some of the ink goes in the water. So if you have a small amount of water in like a little tray dish, you can actually change the color into the color whatever the marker is. So then you can actually use it as a watercolor, which is really cool. So overall with that marker, I'm definitely not going to keep. I think I can just find something better. So the next supply that we have for the month of February is a Kuretake Zig Clean Color Dot double-ended marker. This one retails for $3.30 and it is a new product, so let's check it out. So they gave us in the color pink. This is what it looks like, double-sided as well. This side is like a circular nib, and then the next one is a really fine tip. Alright, I've never actually worked with these before, so the fine tip is 0.5 millimeters, and then the tip is called the dot. It tells you here on the packaging. So what is that? I've never actually tried these out. It says connecting the dots has never been easier. With the clean colored dot double-ended marker, you can easily create perfectly round dots. Okay. It features two nibs, the 0.5 millimeter hard plastic nib for details and squishy dot tip. It says try changing the pressure as you draw to create expressive brush strokes or dot marks in various sizes. The juicy water-based pigment ink makes lettering with this marker fun too. Also, you can actually do lettering work, which is actually really cool. So that is cool. So let's get to the swatches. I'm super excited to actually try this out. The next marker is the Kuretake. It's a Zig marker, clean and colored dots. So I really like this marker because I don't have anything like it, so I've never seen it before. It does create dots, so that's a pro on that one, and it has like a really fine tip, which I like too. And the color, I definitely like the pink color. I've never seen any other color yet, but if I do decide to go in further detail, I definitely would order these as well. But I am keeping this because of the dot. Maybe I'm going to give it away because maybe I'm not going to have any use for it, but I do like it. And but yeah, so this is definitely a recommend. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It also, let's see, it says it's a water-based pigment. So this one doesn't say anything about water-soluble. Next, this is the swatch for the pink marker over here. So the one end is a dotted end, which you can make different types of sizes of dots, which is really cool. You can make a really big one to a medium one to a really tiny. And then this is the other fine side over here. But anyway, this is really cool. So I might keep this because of the new tip that they have, the round tip to make circular dots, perfect circular dots. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so the Princeton brush, synthetic brush, is the coolest brush around. It features a crystal clear acrylic handle with solid weight, which feels comfortable in your hands. Ideal for the watercolor and acrylic, this versatile brush has premium synthetic bristles that retain their shape, used after use. This is what it looks like. I can't really show you much, but I'm gonna actually with the markers. The next and last supply for the month of February is the ArtGraf Water-Soluble Graphite Pencil in number 2B. So this one retails for $2.50. It says this is new for Artsnacks. So this is what it looks like. It has like a nice metallic cover over it, really thick point, and yeah, so let's read about it. So it says if you're looking to make a big mark, this pencil is just for you. It said made in Portugal, one and only pencil factory. This pencil features a super thick core 5mm off soft, which is soft water-soluble graphite. Brush your pencil marks with water and watch them melt onto the paper. Ooh, so you can definitely use the other brush to actually, for all the supplies that I got today, so that's pretty cool. It says once dry, you can use an eraser to add highlights to your artwork. So I'm definitely going to try that out. I'm super excited to actually try this out. So let's head to the swatch. And the last one was for the pencil. It's like a charcoal pencil. It's really cool. So that one actually stated, I definitely want to keep this one. This is water soluble, so you can actually mix it with water, and that's what you get. You can do a lot of shading with it, which I really like. You can create different kind of shades with the pen, and also the cool thing about this. You can actually erase it once it's dry. I was actually impatient, but I just wanted to see if it worked, and it did work, but just make sure it actually is dry. It works so much better because you see I ripped through the paper. I'm impatient, but it works. I like it a lot. That one I'm definitely gonna keep. Next thing is I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be using all the art supplies to do a little sketch for you guys. So I'm actually gonna put it right over here for you guys to actually watch me in progress. So let's get to that sketch. And here's the sketch that I did with all of the supplies. I think it came out really good. And yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my page if you want to see further art snacks. Also, I also do reviews on other products, and I do just I vlog as well. So just subscribe, and don't forget to also follow on my other social media at Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to check out my website www.zukis.net to check out what other stuff I do. So this is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.